What's up, folks? We're in a soaking wet swamp. It has just been raining very heavy. Apparently it's drying up. That's what we don't like because we're supposed to suffer today. And I'm cold already. Got my body cam, got my survival knife and a fire steel in a soaking wet swamp. I got my cameraman as well.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Keep it up.
Smooth Gefixt houden.
Take care about nature. Of course, this is all soaking. Maybe it dries up a little bit if I put it in here. Yeah, this is hopeless. We have to make feather sticks. Let's see if we can light them. Okay, I'm going to find some dead wood. Some bits of this might be quite dry. Be careful, my cameraman. Don't want something to hit your face. Yeah, this looks good. Okay. I guess I try to hang over my wood, so keep it a bit dry. Okay, scrape off the rotten, wet stuff. Okay, feather sticks. We screwed it, man. It's stopping to rain. Rained all day. We're starting this challenge and stopping. Uh-oh. I'm laying it here. Laying some wood on top, maybe keep it a bit dry. And on to the next one. Whew. Well, it starts raining again, man. Doesn't it?
I don't think so, man.
Well, I'm feeling it, man. My survival knife, by the way, it's the ESEE 6. It got very popular a few years ago, but there's also a lot of people saying, you know, it's not the best knife for its edge retention and stuff. But for me, it always worked out great as a survival knife. You know, it's a solid knife, it's robust, it won't let you down, and it's a nice size. I like it.
Are you cold?
When I put off my clothes, it felt really cold. But now I'm a little adapted to it. Bit of adrenaline going. Bit of excitement. So it's not too bad. There's still ice in the water. But the temperatures went up a lot since yesterday. So it's only 8 degrees Celsius. It's not too bad. But hey, if it's raining, you can get even hypothermic in summer. And then when you don't have any clothes, you can't make a fire, you're gonna die if you're in the middle of nowhere. So yeah, the inspiration for this challenge is a cool guy from Rewild University. He does quite some cool challenges, and also with the students. and he also encouraged that other people do this challenge as well. Because fire making in the rain is always a important thing to master. So, but yeah, the pity is it's not really raining. It's, you know, there is something falling, but my body warmth is already so much that it evaporates immediately. So, not really that cold now. Okay, more feather sticks, I would say. Preparation is key. Preparation is key. Rather spend 10 minutes longer on preparation of one try than small bits of times for trying it a lot of times, you know. So preparation, and practice. Okay, this is rotten. This is a better piece. And now it starts to rain more again. Maybe you can film the water. Like see the dripples in the water. Thank you. Got my great cameraman. It's his first time on the production. Okay. You know, keeping this wood over my feather sticks, so hopefully it keeps them dry enough. And on to the next one. How are you liking the camera work?
Pretty nice.
Are you cold?
Nope. Are you?
Not yet. Oh! Focus.
But I checked and it's 6 degrees, so not 8.
6 degrees, okay. Yeah. 6 degrees Celsius. Would you know what that would be in Fahrenheit?
No clue.
Uh-oh. It keeps raining a little bit, doesn't it?
I don't really know.
Uh-oh.
And you keep breaking them, so that doesn't help.
Yeah, anyways, this is all willow wood. Like, willow is the only tree growing here. We don't even have birch. It's apparently too wet here for birch even. If you had a birch tree, man, survival would be easy. Because birch bark, it will even burn when it's wet. But here it's just a swamp with willows, there's nothing. Some nice birds, hey? That's what there is here.
And a beaver.
And a beaver, yes.
There is actually not one, but a wall beaver family living in this area, as shown by this wildcam footage. This particular beaver is pretty hungry. With his tremendous strong teeth, he grabs a piece of willow bark and hangs on it, to then have a feast in the water. Then, during the daytimes, at the same place, someone is being drowned. This river floodplain area is very suitable nesting habitat for many water birds, like this grey heron. From the end of February, dozens of birds are building their nests in the swampy area. So from now on, in the coming months, Julius can't go here anymore to mess around with his dirty bushcraft fires.
Okay, if this is my last feather stick, what I have to do now on the last bit is make them really small, so I can ignite those last ones with my firesteel. Okay, I guess there it is small enough to be ignited by the firesteel. Keep this one very safe and dry underneath here. Now, just make a few small rotten. Get rid of that. Split that. I'm gonna put my body over here, over the stuff. Hopefully keep it dry a little bit. Now, to be honest, I'm starting to get a little bit cold. I guess that's about time. I think we're 50 minutes in, something like that.
24.
24 already? Wow. Guess I'm a bit slow, but as long as you're not really that cold, better take more time preparing, huh? No, 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 no. This messed up part here. I guess it's time to go for it. I need a little fire base actually. So anyways, I'm processing this one up. Oh man, wind is picking up. Start to be cold. I am starting to be cold. Little fire base here. Maybe you can break these smaller pieces. Yeah. Now let's make some paste. I'm gonna make sure now that I put my body all over this wood now. And I'm gonna lay those feather sticks down nicely. The wet ones on top. I guess we're ready to ignite it. Moment of truth. I have the fire steel. Okay. Did you see it? It went, but it is out again. Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, look at it being wet. Uh-oh. Okay. Hope that catches. Okay, all of the feather sticks on there. Yes. Sticks. Sticks. Yes. Okay, keep your fire steel. I always do it on the liner so I never lose it because I lost one in the fire some day ago. But okay, focus on this fire. Uh-oh. It needs some more oxygen. We're not there yet. We're not there yet. The small ones. I have some small ones here. We're not there yet. Once these kind of size sticks are burning, then you can count your fire as officially safely on. See all the smoke? It's wet. It is definitely wet. All the cracking. Okay. Take care of your knife. Make that dry. Now it's time to warm up. My feet, they're cold. So, good life in the bush. Don't go too crazy now, Julius, because you have a reputation of burning your clothes, so, and burning yourself as well.
But don't you want to put any clothes on now?
Well, life is good now, so I have nothing to worry about anymore. Okay, sorry for this, but I'm gonna see if this is already dried up a bit. I think it is. That goes quick. Look, it's dry. Your body heat can dry up wet grass very quickly. Like if you put it underneath something against your body, it can be dry in half an hour. Like now.
40 minutes.
Oh, 40 minutes. Subscribe to the Smooth Gefixt. Check out the other videos. Actually, I do a series of challenges making a fire in different circumstances. So I was thinking about blind fire challenge. And one hand fire challenge and maybe a couple more. So that's coming up. See you later guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to my cameraman, had a good time with him here.
Me too.
Hey, lekker shotjes houden.